Hello guys and welcome to Code Shortcut. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss how can we generate barcode, QR code, Coda Bar, etc. in Laravel 12. So without wasting any further time, let's start. Let's move to step number 1, which says that we need to create a fresh Laravel project, or you can use an existing project as well. Note, if Laravel isn't installed globally, I recommend that you install it first. Assuming Composer is already installed, you can simply use this command to install Laravel globally. Once done, you can simply use this command to create a fresh Laravel project, which I will be using. And let's say if you don't want to do that, you can simply use Composer command right here. Now let's move to git bash. I have already accessed the htdocs folder. I have Laravel globally installed, so I can simply paste this command, hit enter. For the starter kit, we will select none, hit enter. For the database, we will select MySQL. We want to create the database, we want to run the migration, so we will type yes, hit enter. And it's done. Now we need to run both of these commands, so we will simply type yes, hit enter. Okay guys, so our fresh project is ready. Let's move to step number 2, which says that we need to access the project. So let's do that. cd codes, hit enter. I have already done it on the Sublime side right here, you can see. Let's move to step number 3, which says that install the barcode package. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash and paste it, hit enter. Okay, so our package is successfully installed. Now let's move to step number 4, publish the configuration. So let's copy this command. Once again, let's move to git bash, paste, hit enter, and it's done. Now let's move forward to step number 5, which says that we need to create a controller, barcode controller. So let's copy this command. Let's move to git bash, paste it, hit enter. And now we have our barcode ready. Now we need to make the following changes to our barcode controller so that we can return a view, which we are going to create in the later stage. So let's move to barcode controller right here, Control A, Control V. Simply returning a view right here. Okay, let's move forward. Let's move to step number 6, set up the barcode generation route. So let's copy this and let's move to web.php, and I'm going to replace this, and let's remove this line from right here. Okay, and let's move this a bit like that, and it's fine now. Okay, so now we have a route in place. Now let's move forward, create a blade view. So let's copy this HTML using which we will be displaying our barcodes. So resources, views, create a new file, paste everything. Let's name it codes.blade.php, just like that, and it's ready. Now it's time to test. So for that we need to run our project. So let's copy this one, okay, and move forward right here, paste, hit enter. Now let's try to access it on the browser. So I can simply copy this. I'm feeling a bit lazy today. Okay. And right here you can see our barcodes. So this is for Firma 2T, Coda Bar, Qrcode. If you have your mobile, you can try Google Lens and you will be redirected to my YouTube channel. So this is how we are passing the Coda Bar, which is actually one-dimensional barcode, and this one Firma 2T as well. And let's move to Qrcode, which is actually two-dimensional barcode right here, and Firma once again, which is one-dimensional barcode. Okay, so let's say if you want to return a barcode from the controller, like a dynamic link or particular, let's say you have a product link or any sort of link. For example, in this case I have my YouTube channel link and I want to return it as a barcode or QR code. So we can simply do it like that. Let's give it a try. Let's move to barcode controller and let's replace it. Okay, so right here I have imported DNS 1D and 2D in case if you are using DNS. In this case, actually for QR code we are using DNS 2D. Okay, just keep that in mind. But here is the, let's say, explanation. DNS 1D is used to generate one-dimensional barcodes. Okay, so in this case I want to generate a QR code for my YouTube channel, and we are simply returning it using a compact to the view, but we have to make the changes to our view as well. So let's copy this one, okay, and let's copy it like that. Let's move to Sublime once again, replace it, and now we are simply passing the HTML which contains the QR code for my YouTube channel from right here. Okay, so now let's give it a try. And right here you can see dynamic QR code. So you can, once again, if you have your mobile, you can try Google Lens on it and you will be redirected to my YouTube channel link. So yeah guys, that's about it from this specific video. You can do a lot of stuff using this package. For more details, you can always refer to the package documentation. And yeah guys, that's about it from this specific video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.